In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your image is centered in Krita using the ruler. This is a quick, reliable way to make sure your artwork or imported image sits perfectly in the middle of your canvas without guessing or eyeballing. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can confirm alignment at a glance. First, head into Krita and make sure your canvas is open on screen. You'll notice rulers along the top and the left edges of the workspace. These rulers show measurements across your canvas and are the key to this check. They typically display pixels by default, but the idea is the same no matter the unit. The top ruler measures left to right, and the left ruler measures top to bottom. If your workspace looks clean and you don't see rulers, they can be toggled in the view options, but most default setups will show them. With your image selected, the goal is to compare the margins on each side using the ruler markings. Start with the horizontal alignment. Look at the top ruler. Move your cursor to the left edge of your image and note the value it lines up with on the ruler. Then move your cursor to the right edge and take note of that value too. The canvas itself has a total width, and the difference between the canvas edge and your image edge is your margin. If the left and right margins match, your image is horizontally centered. Another quick way to think about this: find the midpoint on the top ruler, which is exactly half of your canvas width. If the middle of your image lines up with that midpoint, you're centered. Now check vertical alignment the same way using the left ruler. Hover near the top edge of your image and note the value, then do the same for the bottom edge. Equal readings from the canvas edges mean the image is vertically centered. As you hover, you'll see the cursor's position readout, which helps you judge the distances more precisely. If you need a closer look, zoom in for accuracy. This makes lining up with the ruler ticks much easier. Once both horizontal and vertical margins match, you're done. Your image is centered. If they don't match, the ruler readings tell you exactly how far off the image is, so you can understand the discrepancy clearly before making any changes. That's all there is to it. Using Krita's rulers gives you a fast, visual confirmation that your image sits right in the middle of the canvas, so you can move forward with confidence.